No, you're speculating. You're speculating. I don't work on it.
Kamkuja hii eneo ndio umetusumbua.
I have not received any notification for that. There's no notification for that. And if I have not received anything, it becomes illegal. We have noted incidents where demonstrators turn violent, destructive, lead to damage of property, disrupt the critical services, and lawful economic activities. We will not allow. Such actions are unlawful, and the police will take appropriate action. We have arrested members of several criminal gangs, and we have arrested 84.